Is it your goal to learn the fundamentals of paid survey taking so that you can start making money right away? You'll definitely enjoy this video. Once again, welcome back to Cash Collect. This video is meant to serve as a comprehensive guide to making money through paid surveys. In it, I detail everything from how to get started to how much money you can make to how to spot and avoid fraud. In that case, you should probably keep watching. One of the most often inquiries I get is, why can I get paid by taking paid surveys? Isn't it just another con? Can we assume that all online survey sites are fraudulent? There are dishonest people out there, but not every survey site is fraudulent. One can find hundreds of legitimate paid survey sites on the internet. Thanks to market research, we can earn money by filling out paid surveys. This is helpful for businesses and groups that want to hear from customers and the general public. Online platforms are ideal for this because of how quickly and easily they allow you to collect data from large numbers of individuals. They pay survey firms to gather data for them, and then those firms in turn share some of that data with us. That being the case, you can rest assured that this is a legitimate means of financial gain. Truth be told, taking paid surveys has been a major source of income for many. One of the best things about paid surveys is that if you approach them with the appropriate mindset, they can be a great way to make some extra cash on the side. Anyone, regardless of their history, can get started making money right now. So, let's get deeper into the mechanics of this, shall we? Hundreds of different legitimate paid survey sites exist today. As was previously noted, I'll explain how to zero in on the greatest option for yourself at a later time, since what works best for me may not work so well for you. The details though will come later. Instead of explaining how it all works generally, I'll just link you to one of my favorite sites, Price Rebel. Not only Price Rebel, but pretty much everywhere else that offers paid survey opportunities. To participate, visit the site and fill out an application. You may be given the option to sign up using your existing Google, Facebook, or Twitter account, in addition to your email address and password when you first visit the website. In most cases, signing up for a paid survey site will take no more than 2 minutes. Be sure it's a no-cost site though, just in case. There is no legitimate way to get money by taking surveys online. It goes without saying that you shouldn't have to spend anything to join a survey site. Taking paid surveys is as simple as signing up for the site or sites that interest you and complete the necessary profile information. I'll quickly navigate to a different page to demonstrate how that would function. Free Cash is another one of my favorite sites because it provides so many opportunities to make money, especially through paid surveys, which I enjoy taking. In that situation, I'd look for survey partners in the Earn column. It's certain that the locations of these surveys will vary across all survey websites. You can't see anything but paid surveys on some survey sites because they exclusively provide those. There are also other possibilities available, such as Get Paid To sites. Therefore, all you have to do is look for the poll. Some services may notify you through email or an invitation link if there are new survey opportunities. Get Paid To sites that provide numerous revenue streams are not often like this. If you're looking for surveys though, it never hurts to check specialized survey sites every so often. It's easy to get started. All you have to do is click on a survey or provider of your choice, and you'll be taken to a page that estimates how long it will take and how much money you can make. You may see your earnings in points or local money on different networks. Pick the survey you want to take, answer the questions truthfully, and be prepared for the possibility that you won't be eligible for all of the survey's cash payouts. After you've answered a few questions, the survey may decide you're not qualified to participate. The opinions of people of a certain age, geographic region, income level, or educational background are very valuable to businesses. There are automated algorithms that can catch you when you're lying on a survey site, and that will get you banned and prevent you from making any further money. Always tell the truth. This honesty affects more than just your reputation. It can also keep you from getting paid. The potential earnings from paid survey taking will now be discussed. It's crucial to keep in mind that taking part in paid surveys is not a viable option for generating a living, much less a career. They allow you to make a few bucks on the side while getting your voice heard. Getting started is simple, but if you're looking to make a living online, this isn't the best option for you. Since the amount of available survey varies from country to country, so does the possible income. In certain nations, you can earn a comfortable living, while in others, you could be lucky to bring in $100 each month. Don't use a virtual private network or VPN to spoof your location or deceive anyone. In order to prevent people from taking advantage of the system and making money by answering surveys for free, survey sites employ stringent security procedures because you won't get compensated for your time. It's not just unethical but also pointless. In order to earn payment from a survey site, you'll typically need to go through a verification process. Finding paid survey sites that are accessible from your nation is the most crucial step in identifying the finest options for you. Select your location to access country-specific details, user reviews, and accepted payment types in addition to site-specific guides. If you want to participate in additional polls and opportunities, it's best to sign up for many sites. If you don't expect to get rich quickly and have realistic expectations, paid surveys can be a good method to earn some extra cash on the side. While paid surveys offer a convenient way to earn extra money, it's important to approach them with the right mindset. Remember, this is not a full-time job or a guaranteed path to riches. It's a way to share your opinions and earn some additional income on the side. Keep your expectations realistic and understand that the earning potential varies depending on your country and the availability of surveys. We hope you enjoyed the video. Now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video about the top 15 apps that pay you daily. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.